What if one platform could transform the way you learn Islam? Forever. Not just another website. A gateway to authentic Islamic knowledge. One platform. 5 languages. One timeless message. Every lesson, every reminder, bringing you closer to Allah.
Read the lives of the prophets. Discover forgotten Islamic history. Strengthen your faith.
Knowledge shared becomes sadaqah jariyah. Inspire your family. Benefit generations.
Learn, reflect, practice, inspire.
The journey to Allah begins with knowledge. Begin yours today with Muslim Soul.